about a project titled Fake News Detection for Video and Image. In today's digital era, the widespread dissemination of misinformation through manipulated visual media has become a critical challenge. In this project, we aim to combat the dissipative spread of fake news by employing the advanced machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, random forest, Neo-Bayes, SVM, voting classifier, and MLP to analyze and detect the fake news in videos and images. Through the extensive data pre-processing, feature extraction, and the model training, we aspire to create a robust and accurate detection system capable of identifying the manipulated media and providing the reliable insights to the user. The objective of our project is to develop a comprehensive and effective system for detecting and combating the fake news spread through the manipulated visual media, leveraging the advanced machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, random forest, Neo-Bayes, SVM, voting classifier, and MLP. Through meticulous data pre-processing, feature extraction, and model training, our project seeks to build a versatile detection system that can distinguish between the authenticated and the manipulated media with a high precision. Ultimately, our goal is to empower the users with the reliable information, foster the media literacy, and mitigate the harmful effects of the fake news in the digital age. And these are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. The software requirements are Python IDEL with version of 3.7, Anaconda with version of 3.7, or Jupyter Notebook. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of minimum Intel i3, RAM of minimum 4 GB, hard disk of minimum 250 GB. And to know about the flow of the project, these are the steps we need to discuss. The first one is importing the libraries. In this step, essential Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, sklearn, and Flask are imported. These libraries provide the necessary tools for the data manipulation, numerical computation, data visualization, machine learning, and the web application development. And the second one is importing the dataset. The dataset containing the images related to the fake and authentic media is imported. The dataset serves as a foundation for training and evaluating the fake news detection model. And the third one is data visualization. Data visualization techniques are used to gain the insight into the dataset and understand the distribution of the fake and authentic media images. Visualization like histogram and bar charts are employed to depict the characteristic of the images. And the next one is splitting into the training and the testing. The dataset is divided into the training and the testing subset. The training data is used to teach the machine learning model, while the testing data is used to evaluate the performance on the unseen data. And the next one is model building. Various machine learning algorithms are implemented. The first one is logistic regression. It is a linear classification algorithm commonly used to the binary classification task for the fake news detection. It models the relationship between the input features and the binary outcome. The algorithm calculates the probability of an image being fake or authentic using the logistic function, which maps the output of the probability. Logistic regression is computationally efficient, interpretable, and works well with the relationship between the features and the target is approximately linear. And the third one is of random forest. Second one is of random forest. It is an ensemble learning method that constructs the multiple decision tree during the training phase. Each tree is trained on a random subset of the data and the random subset of features, and the prediction from all the trees are combined to make the final prediction. Random forest is a robust against overfitting, handles the high dimensional data, and captures the non-linear relationship between the image features. It is a powerful algorithm for the fake news detection, especially when dealing with the complex and the diverse image data set. And the next one is Neo-Bayes. It is a probabilistic algorithm based on the Bayes theorem and is commonly used for the test classification task for the fake news detection for the image data and utilize the variant forms like Gaussian Neo-Bayes and the multinomial Neo-Bayes with the extracted image features. Neo-Bayes assumes the independence between the features, which can be limitations for the images with the complex correlation among the features. And the next one is SVM. It stands for Support Vector Mission. It's a powerful algorithm that for binary classification tasks. In the context of fake news detection with the images and videos, SVM aims to find the hyperplane that best separates the fake and authentic images and the videos in the high-dimensional feature space. SVM works well for the dataset with a clear class boundary and handle the non-linear relationship between the image feature through the kernel function. It be effective in detecting the fake news images, especially when used with the appropriate feature extraction and the kernel selection. And the next one is voting classifier. Is an ensemble learning technique that combines the prediction from the multiple individual classifiers and make the final prediction based on the majority voting. This voting is improve the overall prediction accuracy by leveraging the strengths of the different algorithms. By combining the diverse model, voting classifier can enhance the fake news detection performance, providing the more reliable and the robust prediction. And the next one is MLP. It stands for Multi-Layer Perceptron. It's a type of artificial neural network consists of multiple layers of interconnected neurons. It handles the complex and non-linear relationship between the image features, making it suitable for the image classification tasks like fake news detection. MLP learns from the training data through the forward and backward propagation, adjusting the weight to minimize the prediction error with the ability to model the intricate feature interactions. MLP can capture the pattern in images that other algorithms might miss, leading to the improved detection performance. However, training an MLP requires a large amount of data and the computational resource. And the next step is training the model. The selected machine learning models are trained using the prepared images and the videos dataset. The model learns from the features and the corresponding labels, creating the predictive model capable of classifying the fake news. And the next one is user gives the input. A user-friendly web interface is developed using the Flask, allowing the user to input for the fake news detection. And the next one is the given input is pre-processed for prediction. The input image provided by the user through the Flask interface are pre-processed, ensuring they match the format used during the model training. Data normalization and the image feature extraction are the applied. And the next step is trained model is used for the prediction. The pre-processed user input is fed into the trained model. Each model predicts the likelihood of the input image being fake or authentic based on the feature. And the last one is final outcome is displayed. The predictions from the models are displayed on the Flask interface, providing the user with insights into the authenticity of the provided image. This final outcome facilitates the effective fake news detection, empowering the user to distinguish between the manipulated and genuine fake news. And the execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder containing of various files within it. The dataset folder containing of the images within the training and the testing, and the images folder containing of various images within it, and the static folder containing of the folders like CSS, JavaScript, images, models within it, and the template folder containing of the HTML documents like of after, home, index, sign-in and sign-up pages within it. And app is an py file which likely contain the information related to the front-end logic that include the code written in Python that handle the server-side operation such as processing the user request, interacting with the database, and generating the dynamic content that will be rendered in the HTML template. And the notebook is an IPYNB file which likely contains the information of the combination of code, graph, and output all in one place. It allows the user to write and execute the code in the individual cell, making it a popular choice for the data science. And the signup.db is an file appeared to be the database file used to store the user information. And the video folder containing of the videos within it. And here we can see this. Here we are importing the video file in this file. And after that importing the video, this video file is converted into the audio file by using the movie file. And by using this recognizer and converting this audio file and by using the recognition of the Google, this is the transcript that is found in that audio file, and the final result of that audio file is of like this. And importing the algorithms that we used in this project, and it is transformed and predicted this video file conversion of audio file, and it converted into test, and that test is predicted as of real news because it predicted as of 1. The prediction is equal to 0, then it will be as fake news, but it is predicted as 1, that's why it recognized as of real news. And for the execution of the project, for the images, first we need to copy this code folder part and then open the Anaconda prompt. Here first we need to change the location of the disk to F because our code folder is present in FDisk. Then write a command cd and space and paste this code folder path. By this it will change the current directory to the code folder path. And then click on the enter button. Here we need to write a command, that is python space app.py. By using this command, it will execute the Python script and perform the runtime check for any syntax errors or the logical issues within it. And then click on the enter button. Here the app.py file will run the Flask interface by hosting the local link as of like this. We need to copy this link and paste it on any of the web browser of our choice, and I prefer to use the Google Chrome. I'm pasting this link and then click on the enter button. Here we can see this is the title of the project and contents of the sign up button. And clicking on the sign up button, here it will redirect it to this page containing of some necessary details that are need to be filled to create an account. But my account is already created, that's why I'm using the sign in button. It will redirect it to the sign in page, and details need to be filled with the admin and of username and password, and then click on the sign in button. Here it will redirect it to this index file and click on the choose file button. Here we need to select one and then click on the open button and then click on the upload button. Here it will predict the result as of real, and by using the try again button, here redirect it to this page, and here we can choose the file of another one and selecting one and then click on the open button and then click on the upload button. Here it predicted as of fake one. In this way we can predict the fake news by using the images and also by using the video. And in conclusion, our project has demonstrated the promising outcome in combating the spread of misinformation in the visual media by leveraging a diverse set of machine learning algorithms, including logistic regression, random forest, Neo-Bayes, SVM, voting classifier, MLP, and we developed a robust and accurate detection system through the extensive analysis of visual features and the contextual information. Our system can effectively identify, manipulate the media, and detect the fake news with high precision by empowering the user with reliable and trustworthy information. We aim to contribute to the more informed and the responsible digital society, safeguarding against the detrimental effects of fake news and fostering a trustworthy digital media landscape.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.